In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. If you're someone who regularly uses Google Chrome and you're curious about Gemini, you're in the right place. Gemini is an experimental feature that expands Chrome's capabilities, and getting access to it is pretty straightforward. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, you'll want to locate the Gemini toolbar button. Now, if you look at the top of your Chrome browser window, you should see a button that says Ask Gemini. Go ahead and click on this button. When you do, a side panel will pop up on your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens. It allows you to interact with Gemini effortlessly. Once you've clicked the button, you'll notice a neat little interface that opens up. This is your direct access point to Gemini, and it's designed to make your browsing experience more efficient. If you prefer a shortcut, there's another way to access Gemini that's even quicker. You can utilize the Omnibox, which is simply the address bar at the top of Chrome. Just type @Gemini into that space and then hit the spacebar or the tab key. After that, you can start typing your prompt directly into the bar. It's a real time saver, especially if you're someone who likes to get straight to the point. Now let's talk about setting things up for the very first time. When you try to access Gemini for the first time, you'll need to follow some on-screen prompts. This is where things get personalized. You're going to opt into the service, which means saying yes to all the nifty features that come with Gemini. Once you opt in, it'll prompt you to sign in with your Google account. Just a quick note, you won't be able to access Gemini in incognito mode, so make sure you're using a regular browser window for this. After you follow these simple steps, you're pretty much all set to start using Gemini in Chrome. It's designed to enhance your browsing experience, making it smoother and more intuitive. So to recap, we went through how to use the Gemini toolbar button to access it through the side panel and explore the Omnibox as a speedy alternative. Finally, we discussed how to set things up for the first time to ensure everything runs smoothly for you. That's it for today's tutorial. Getting access to Gemini in Chrome doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you'll be up and running in no time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more such useful content. We're always here to help you navigate through these digital tools more effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.